We track storms to alert you first. This is KIMT Storm Team 3, weather coverage you can count on.
Well, it definitely has been one of those top 10 weather days out there, that's for sure. We saw temperatures in the upper 60s, 70s, the majority of us seeing temperatures even near the middle 70s, as well as bright blue skies have kind of been the theme for today. Unfortunately, though, we are tracking some changes as we move into the rest of the weekend and then into next week, in the form of warmer temperatures, which isn't a bad thing, but on the other side, we are tracking some thunderstorms as well. But here's the big three things I'm tracking right now. Breezy and rainy Mother's Day. We're going to see the wind start to pick up as we head into tonight. We're also going to track some rain for tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, and maybe a few brief showers as we head into tomorrow night. And then after that, we're still watching Monday's storm chances because there has been a little bit of an update compared to what we've been looking at over the last few days. We'll break that down as well. And then by the time we get into midweek, we are tracking some summertime temps. So hopefully you enjoyed the last 48 hours of spring, because we're going to be looking at temperatures back into the middle 80s with heat indexes possibly into the 90s as we enter into Wednesday and Thursday. I'll show you that in the 7-day forecast. But I'll tell you what, as we enter into the next few hours, we're going to see kind of the clash between the high pressure we're experiencing right now and the low pressure off towards our west at the moment. And when that happens, you get these really tight pressure gradients, these lines of equal pressure. And when that happens, our winds start to pick up. So as we enter into tomorrow morning, looking at wind gusts anywhere possibly between 25 to 30 miles per hour. And then as we move through the day, it really doesn't change all that much. Even at times, we could see wind gusts close to 40 as you see kind of the further north you go on Highway 52, closer to Zumbrota as well. So we're going to see a breezy day tomorrow on top of the rain showers we're also tracking. And that trend is even going to continue into parts of Monday as well. So it's going to be very windy over the next few days. So if you decide to put out some of those springtime decorations, might want to bring those inside, the patio furniture, whatever the case is, might want to bring them indoors because we could see some stronger winds at times tomorrow as well. Here's that next system we're tracking, and boy, it is a sloppy one, that is for sure. Stretching all the way into parts of Canada and as far south as parts of Texas right now as well, because we're going to see multiple of these smaller low pressure systems start to develop. And that's what's making our forecast as we head into Monday just a bit more difficult than what it normally is right now. So while we are tracking these rain showers that are going to continue to move off towards the east overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning, the backside of it, we're going to be tracking the chances for maybe some strong to severe storms. So walking you through Sky Tracker 3 hour by hour, clouds build in overnight tonight. Winds will still remain from out of the south. And here comes those rain showers tomorrow morning, starting as early as about 7 a.m. west of I-35. If you live west of I-35, I think that will be the spot that sees a few rumbles of thunder, because as this moves east, it really falls apart here as it starts to work closer to our Mississippi communities. We'll see the rain continue into North Iowa through about 10, 11, and 12 o'clock tomorrow. So hopefully you got outside or had your Mother's Day activities today, because we are tracking some rain showers through the day tomorrow. And then again, the chance for a few brief showers as we enter into the rest of the evening, before once again tracking our next chance for some storms as we enter into Monday. So here's that change I'm talking about. It's a level 1 out of 5 for severe weather for Monday across the entire KIMT viewing area. And we'll kind of time that out for you right now. Chance for a few brief showers early Monday morning, but notice we start to clear out as we enter the afternoon. That's going to build up some of that energy in the atmosphere. Winds completely surging from out of the south. And notice as these storms start to develop, they kind of develop along a cold front and move in. Now, this is our in-house model. There are other models that are trying to develop single storms across parts of North Iowa, trekking into southern Minnesota. So it's a very difficult and tricky forecast right now for us as we work into Monday. But the three things we do know here is that the environment will be there for some stronger storms if they do develop. That will all depend on how much lift we have in the atmosphere. And like I said, there's a lot of if and then factors here in this forecast. But for now, we'll focus on the positives, looking at temperatures back into the middle 80s as we enter into midweek. But even though the temperatures will be warmer, we'll still be tracking the chances for a few showers as well. Anthony?